Guys, welcome back to another video by Mr. Kitten Ivy. Today we will be celebrating 50 subscribers on my channel. Now before we get into this, remember to subscribe and like. Thank you to everyone who's helped me get to this checkpoint. And by the way, if you're wondering what the voting back in August 2022 was for, then it's for this animation. And who won? The answer is Aimer. What are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone, and thank you for 50 subscribers.